I need some salt. Then I'll get some
baking soda.
baking soda. Okay, to mix all combine.
Yes.
Okay, mommy. Pour butter. Then brown sugar. And then white sugar. And then stir all ingredients. Do you want to mix it, Kelly?
It's heavy.
Oh, that's okay, Kelly. See, I've all mixed them combined, Mommy. Oh, we cracked 2 eggs. Oops, I made a mistake. Okay, good. Okay, my next thing is vanilla extract. Look, I've just opened it. Then I'm just going to stir it. Do you want to stir it, Kelly?
Yeah.
Stir it nice slowly. And then it's my turn. Okay. Last turn, Kelly. Okay, can we pour it, Mommy?
Yes.
Is it mixed all combined? You pour it.
Yeah.
All combined. Next, we're going to pour the flour, salt, and baking soda. Then I'm going to pour that. Oh, it's a little bit tricky. It's all right. Now let's pour the chocolate chip.
This is too much chocolate.
Oh, Kelly, do you want to turn? But wait until I'm finished. Okay, I'm going to put each ball.
shoe. It's an art animal.
Oh, don't worry, Kelly. Let me help you. Okay. Now I'll mix.
I miss.
We need more food coloring. This is the red color. This is the green color. This is
Oh
the.
no, the
This is the
blue
blue.
color is an animal.
Oh, don't worry, Kelly. I will help you.
No.
Oh, don't worry, Kelly.
It's a
We need to cover with the plastic bag, and then we put them in the fridge. Dough is ready. All the colors are ready. Now we just have to scoop our cookie dough, and then we can bake it in the oven. So, one cookie
I
dough.
cannot make the rolling pin now.
No, you just do it like this. You can do it all by yourself. You can do it. Use the dough, roll the cookie into a ball. Just do it by yourself or don't know.
Look, that's a
You got
lemon.
red. I've got different colors that are hot.
I cannot play like color.
Come on, Kelly. You can do it. Roll into a bowl just like this and put them in a tray.
Let the ball.
Darren, Kelly got one. He still got one, and Darren is quicker. Just like Darren. Okay, that's one ball.
There's a rubber.
Okay. Roll out the cookie dough. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, 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 roll. Okay. No, we are just rolling it. But you still got a cookie dough. You haven't rolled the cookie dough. You need to roll a ball. Roll a ball like this.
There's a ball. There's a ball.
Yes, I've got one ball left. And I've got all of that.
This is an apple. This is an apple too.
This is a small cookie mold.
This is a ball.
I roll all the cookie dough. It's time to help Mommy put them in the oven for 12 minutes. Cool down. It's time to eat. One for you and one for me.
Is it yummy, Darren? Do you like the cookie?
Yummy cookies. Mmm.